How to navigate the Wix Studio interface. So we have in here our Wix website that has been created or opened in the Wix Studio. So we have in here the dashboard and as well as the settings affiliated to the dashboard. So what you can do is you can head over and click on this edit site option and it will open the editor using your Wix Studio itself. Now, while it's loading, let's see in here the dashboard. You can set up some things, like for example, some settings, marketings, inbox, as well as a lot more onto this case. We also have in here the quick actions button, which is not actually available to your Wix website itself. You can go ahead and hold over and then click on that, and you can see in here some quick actions. Now, let's head over again to our editor, and then it will open up right here. Now you can see in here your left sidebar. You can head over and then just utilize it in order to actually go and then edit out your website. So that's how you navigate the Wix Studio interface. Hope you help.